Good morning all of you, to my respected teachers and my dear friends. This is presentation made by 9th I on topic natural resources of Sikkim. What is natural resources? Natural resources are the resources that exist without any action of humankind. These include the source of valued characters such as commercial and industrial use, aesthetic value, scientific interest, cultural value on earth. It includes sunlight, atmosphere, water, land or minerals along with all vegetation and animal life. Natural resources can be classified in different ways. Natural resources are the materials and components, something that can be used and can be found in our environment. Every man-made product is composed of natural resources at a fundamental level. What are the steps taken by the government to protect flora and fauna? Flora and fauna also comes in our natural resources. To protect flora and fauna of a country, government has taken following steps. 14 biosphere reserves has been set up by the government to protect flora and fauna. Biosphere reserves are the area of terrestrial coastal ecosystem which promote the conservation of plant and animal wildlife. What are the various measures taken by government to protect natural ecosystem of the country? Some of the important legislation of environment protection are as follows. The National Green Tribunal Act 2010, the Air Prevention and the Control Pollution Act 1981, the Water Prevention and the Control Pollution Act in 1974. So let's start our topic, natural resources of Sikkim. Several minerals are found in the state, among them coal, copper, limestone, graphite are most important, dolomite, granite, talc and the magnetic are less important. Copper, the ores of copper are whispered in Sikkim and are in the Darjeeling pad. Forests of Sikkim. These are mainly 5 types of forests in Sikkim, namely subtropical, most mixed deciduous, wet temperate, conifer and subalpine forests. Within the area of 7096 per kilometer, and the state has 30.77% of percentage of forests are protected as the completion of 7 wildlife sanctuaries and 1 national park, which is the highest in the country. This is the flow chart of this is the table of the forests of Sikkim. Which rock found in Sikkim? 5 geological units encountered in the district are Kanchenjunga Gneis, Darjeeling Gneis, Chungatung and scientists Sinchit and Gneis, Lingisti and Granite Gneis and drilling group of rocks consists of phyllite, sage, quartzite and zinc of Precambrian age. Rock. Occurrence of other minerals and reported in the states include dolomite, quartzite and the talc-salite, soapstone in the West Sikkim district and limestone in the North Sikkim district and the marble in East and North Sikkim districts. About the minerals of Sikkim. The important minerals resources of state are copper, lead, zinc and silver reported in Botung and Rangpo and Dikchu in the East Sikkim district. About the animals of Sikkim. The flora and the fauna of the animals include snow and leopards, musk deer, Himalayan tur, red panda, Himalayan marmot, Himalayan serows, Himalayan guru. These are types of animals in Sikkim. The most famous animal is red panda and this bird. About the crops of Sikkim. Maize, finger mills, barley, wheat, pulses, peas. About the water of Sikkim. The Chista is the major river in the system of the state and Retichu is the river in the Indian state of Sikkim that is the main source of water for the state capital Gangtok. Very true and emerged from the glacier fat lake Tamji and the elevation of 3,800 meters, 12,500 feet above the sea level. River names are Tisra River, Ranjit River, Takcham River, Rampuchu. Soil are under crop cultivation. Maize, its tentative classifications as members of coarse, loamy, fragmental, mixed family of listic and undercones. Heliaceae, it comprise very deep, moderate, well drained, fine loamy soils and dark reddish brown and reddish brown color develop on genetic parents material. Forest management of Sikkim. This is about the forest management of Sikkim. Forest and the Environment Department, formerly Forest Environment and Wildlife Management Department, is mandated with control and the management of forest, environment and wildlife. They control the management of parks, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, houses, infos, and the implement of art laws related to the forest, wildlife and environment of host such other activities of the state. The state of Sikkim has largest recorded of forest land area covering 82.31% of geographical area. Reserve forest, Kasmas and Gulchans are the three characteristics of forest in the state. Kasmas forest is a forest land settled in a set aside by government for meeting of bona fide domestic need of timber, firewood and fodder and the district in adjoining villages. The ecosystem provided by the forests are indispensable. People earn the livelihood from forests. It provided food, water, shelter, air, etc. Strengthening of tertiary sector, intensification of the management and protection, grazing control. Joint Forest Management Committee J. This is the short form of Joint Forest Management Country, and the FDA we can also see. Influences structure development like buildings, infrastructure development, wireless communication and arms ammunition. Infrastructure development, communication, transport and other facilities, service and demarcation. This is forest fire management of the this is the table of forest fire management. There are years given in 2000, in 2001, in 2002, in 2003 and in 2004. Thank you for watching.